Welcome, I'm SD Kelly. In this video, I bring to you 4 really easy, cute, and fun Valentine's Day DIY projects. For this first project, I'm going to be using these candy jars that I got out of the dollar bin at Michael's. I'm decorating these jars with some bling. I'm using a hot red Valentine's Day heart color for this hot pink bottle right here. The red bottle, I actually put hot pink bling. I'm just demonstrating on this one, and I'm wrapping the bling around 3 parts of this bottle. I'm going to be putting an electric tea light in this. I don't recommend using a real tea light if you're adding any sort of adhesive or plastic or twine or anything like that. I'm using this poster tack to hold the candle in place because the bottom of the jar is not completely flat. Now this would make a cute gift to give to somebody, or you could put candy in it, all kinds of things, maybe a sweet little note of inspiration. I like the way these give off a nice pinkish and red glow. For this next DIY, I'm taking this red heart vase that I got from the Dollar Tree and this wooden heart that I got from the woodcraft section at Michael's. I decided to use this jute twine to tie the heart onto the bottle, and it just so happens that this heart is a perfect fit. So definitely, if you can find one of these hearts at Michael's, pick one up and then get this vase at the Dollar Tree, and it makes a really cute project. And I'm just tying it on. I'm not using any glue for this. I'm looping the twine through the cutout sections of this heart, and it just ties right on, and it looks really so cute. I filled this vase with some clear acrylic gems, and I took this bouquet from the Dollar Tree, and I bent the stem to put it in there at the right height. The stem is pretty much hidden by the gems. You can always cut it to fit as well. Moving on to the third DIY, I just used some doilies that I got in a package at Dollar Tree. I believe there's like 16 of them, or maybe it depends on the size, but they come quite a few in a pack. And I'm just using some foam hearts and putting it all together. And these are going to go on that wood board craft that I made around Christmas time, and I'll put a link at the end of this video and in the description as well. For this last DIY, I'm taking this word love that's made of wood, and I got it from the local Dollar Tree store, and it had some kind of paint or varnish on it that's a metallic color. It was a little bit hard to distinguish between gold and silver at times, depending on how it reflected in the light. Anyway, I'm covering it with a makeup sponge and some white Waverly chalk paint. And I had actually covered the top and front, and then I covered the bottom and back after it had dried. And this paint does dry rather quickly. I would say all of these projects probably took less than 10 minutes, definitely less than 15 minutes to complete each of them. I also started using gardening gloves as reusable gloves, and so far it works out fine, but it does interfere with some of the dexterity that I need for some of these projects. I'm trying to use reusable things as much as possible in my crafting. So now I just added a little bit of red food coloring, and I'm blending it into the paint to give it a light pink effect, and almost a gradient effect. What I like about these makeup sponges is that I can rinse them out and reuse them for a while before they're no longer any good. And I like the way that they put the paint on really smooth. After the paint was dried, I took a nail file and I went in at an angle and did a light sawing motion to create this faux wood grain effect that shows through as this iridescent gold and silvery color. Once again, I am SD Kelly, and I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Also, I hope you will subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching, and bye for now.